Hello friends, Mandar here. I'm back with another video. Today I wanted to give you a quick update which impacts international students studying in the United States. This is not such a good news, but I wanted to get it out to you as soon as possible so that it may help the students who are impacted by this information. So if you are watching this video, you are probably an international student enrolled in a US university and you may want to watch this video until the end. Now let's get started. So on June 6th, on the ICE website, SEVP, the Students Visitor Exchange Program, announced that there are some modifications to the exemptions that were made for international students enrolled in US universities. There are 3 important changes that have been published and I will go through them one by one. Now the first and important thing that I want to mention is this impacts fall 2020 admission students only. This will not impact spring and summer 2020 students enrolled. This will not impact the students who are enrolled in spring and summer of 2020. The first thing that it says is the non-immigrant F1 and M1 students who are enrolled in the US universities cannot take full online course. What that means is you cannot be enrolled in a program that is fully online starting fall of 2020. It also says that the US Department of State will not issue a visa, that is student visa, to people who will be enrolled in fully online course. The US Border and Protection Agency will not permit the students to enter into the United States if they are enrolled in fully online coursework. Now there is another thing, if you are already into the United States and enrolled in these programs, and if they happen to be fully online for fall semester of 2020, they have advised those students to move out of the United States, which means they will not be maintaining their F1 status if they are only enrolled in online classes for the fall of 2020. Now the second point is the non-immigrant F1 students who are enrolled in a traditional classroom setting for the fall of 2020 will be allowed to do so. So there is no impact to them. In addition, they can take up to 1 online course per semester. In other words, they can take 1 full course online or 3 credit hours online. Now non-immigrant students, F1 students who are enrolled in a hybrid kind of model. So some universities are offering hybrid model where they have some classes in the classroom session whereas the others are online. In that scenario, you may be allowed to take more than 1 course online, but the university has to register as such with SEVP and they have to issue the I-20s that clearly state that this is not an online program and they will have some in-classroom classes. Now this particular exemption does not apply to F1 students who are enrolled in English language training programs or M1 students who are enrolled in vocational classes. So really the most important thing to note here is that students who are or international students who are already in the United States enrolled in the coursework, and if they find out that their university is only offering online courses starting fall of 2020, that is going to be a problem for them. The reason is they will not be maintaining their F1 status based on these reduced exemptions. So if they are enrolled in online only coursework for fall of 2020, they will have to leave the country. So I thought this information was very important for people who are impacted, especially the F1 students already in the United States. So I wanted to get it out to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel so that you can get more updates coming later on. I'll see you in the next one.